Waakye is one of the most popular Ghanaian street foods enjoyed by most people in Ghana. That is what is on our bill of fare today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome. We do easy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. Beans is the first ingredient I'm going to introduce to you. So I have washed my 2 cups of beans. I will just go ahead and add it to the water on fire. Now, when preparing waakye, we have 2 ways we prepare it. The one with sorghum leaves and the one without sorghum leaves. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to prepare it without the sorghum leaves. What I added to it earlier, to the beans earlier, was my baking soda. Other people choose to use kanwa instead of the baking soda, but if you use the baking soda, oh my goodness, it is perfect. And baking soda is medicinal. So now our beans is ready. Some people choose to prepare or cook their beans maybe 80% cooked, but I want it soft, because of my husband. That is how he wants his waakye. So today we are preparing it his way. Another time I'm going to prepare it my way. That is just by the way. I've added my rice, and I prefer having a lot of beans in my waakye compared to the rice. I mean, more beans than the rice, but he does not like it that way. So I added 3 cups of rice. Do you get it? So in this recipe, the rice is plentier than the beans. Now it has been on fire for some time. I'll go ahead and then give it a stir. Do not forget to add some salt to it. Taste it very well before you cover it. Now this is how it looks after 20 minutes, and just look at how soft it is. I prefer it when it is singled out. When it is singled, that is how I want mine. But since I said we are going in his way, that is why I prepared it this way. And trust me, I have also fallen in love with soft waakye. It is so good, and you can also try it. Now I'm just going to give it a stir again and then leave it on fire for extra 5 minutes, and we are good to go. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much. I do appreciate your time here. And please, have you subscribed or followed? If you haven't, can you do so for me? Thank you so much for doing it, because I know you've done it already. Just look at that. It looks so nice. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to share to others. Leave me a comment, like the video, and also share. Thank you. Just look at that. It looks exactly like the one they sell outside. I mean, the one beside the gardens. That's waakye. It is so good. Yes, the one beside the gardens. It is so good. Now our waakye is ready. Just look at that. So delicious. We have special stew for waakye, which is the waakye stew. I have the recipe on my channel and my page. Please check it out, but I will bring you this one as well. And we are shito, gari, salad, spaghetti, or macaroni, as someone will say super gari. You won't understand, but I'll tell you something one day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.